Kuga floor mats. Unboxing. Floor mats showcase. Driver's seat floor mats. Passenger seat floor mats. Rear seat floor mats. Driver's seat floor mats with positioning tabs. Open the driver's door. Clean the original vehicle carpet. After cleaning the carpet, make sure to align the mounting holes of the carpet with the mounting holes of the floor mats. Install the floor mats. Align the rear mounting holes. Proceed with installation. Open the passenger door. After cleaning the carpet, install the passenger seat floor mats. Open the rear door. After cleaning the rear carpet, install the floor mats. Place the floor mats. Press down the floor mats to flatten them. Close all doors.